how to search or apply different effects and filters on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to search and apply various effects and filters available on Instagram, enhancing your creative expression. Begin by opening the Instagram application on your mobile device. At the bottom, you will find 5 different icons there. Click on the central plus icon to create a new post. Choose Story to access the camera and capture a photo instantly. Below, you will notice various effects available. Scroll through them by swiping left or right to explore effects. Experiment with different effects until you find the one you like. If you want a broader selection of effects, search option usually located at the end of the effects. Click on it to open the section where you can explore and discover a wide range of filters and effects. Click on a filter to apply it instantly. If you find a filter that you like and want to use it later, click on the save icon typically found in the effects detail section. To save a filter, return to the camera view and locate the save icon. Click on it and you will find the filters you have saved for quick access in the future. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.